Your success will be determined by your own confidence and fortitude. Michelle Obama. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to deal a phrasal verb, carve out. Carve out. In this class, we are going to discuss the meaning and the usage of the phrasal verb carve out. Look at the meaning for the phrasal verb carve out here. To make or create a career. If you are making or creating your own career, you are carving out your career. So, carve out means to make or create a career. In other words, you can say establish or create through painstaking effort. If you are establishing your career through painstaking effort, you are carving out your career. Take something from a larger whole, especially with effort or difficulty. It can be said as carve out. Or establish a career, role or reputation for oneself through hard work is defined as carve out. If somebody establishes a career, role or reputation for oneself through hard work can be defined as carve out. Now let's use this carve out in a sentence. Look at this sentence. The company hopes to carve out a greater share of the $40 billion market. It means the company hopes to create a greater share of $40 billion market. And number 2, she managed to carve out a successful teaching career for herself. It means she managed to create or establish a successful teaching career for herself through hard work. She carved out a reputation among her male colleagues in her office. It means she created or established a reputation among her male colleagues in her office. So, carve out means to make or create a career. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. And hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.